Well, here we go, guys. We have a lot of snow coming down today. Looks like we are at about, I would say, maybe 3, 4 inches already. We had 3, 4 inches. It's supposed to snow all day. And, yeah, it's still snowing. 3, 4 inches. Well, we're going to use a snowboard for this. Won't be no shoveling today. Yeah, 3, 4 inches so far. And it's supposed to snow all the way until all the way until I think like 11, 12 o'clock. Come on, Kashka, come here. Hey, Legacy, bang on the trailer, like bang on it. Smart dog, huh? Trying to get up there. But yeah, we got that real stuff. So basically, today the plan is, I got a few people that want me to come out during the snow and kind of get it to where a couple driveways to where so they can get out the driveway, and then come here, Kashka. But for the most part, I'm gonna be going out in the morning, except that those couple people, because people don't they want me to wait till it stops so it could actually be done. But that's what we got going on. So we're gonna put the plow to test, man. We're gonna have some videos coming up for you guys so you can see my second time plowing. I don't know how much snow we're gonna get, obviously. I don't know exactly. I'm not a weatherman, and even if I was, I still wouldn't know. But it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. We already have at least 3 to 4 inches, on the ground. We already have. And let me tell you, if it snows for another 12 hours, I mean, we could easily get up to, like this. We could easily get up to, 10 inches or so. But, hey, the dog's pooping. That's a good thing. Not in the house. You want to go on in here? Here, you unlock the door? Yeah. Let's go in here and turn this heater on in here. How about that? Yeah. We're going to get the snow blower out. Look at this dog, man. Get the snow blower out. And, get the snow blower out. Welcome to the not all the way put together ABF garage, almost man cave. Not quite, but we got somewhere to sit at least. We're gonna turn this heater on. Oh, you talking? I'm sorry. I know you're doing the interview. Here we go. This is how it works, y'all. Put that thing on. Yes. Might leave that on for a while, so we can might leave it on for a while. Oh, don't do that, girl. Don't burn your nose off, man. So that's it, y'all. We're gonna get this snow blower. Okay, man, we'll watch some of this. All right. Putting on a little show. Okay. All right.